Melon is sponsoring me to teach you how to go live and multi-stream on their platform. You don't need all this fancy equipment in order to multi-stream to multiple social media platforms at the same time. Here's how you do it using Melon. First things first, go to the settings section within Melon. You're going to click your avatar up here. Then you're going to go under settings. Now, it's going to have you automatically connected to whatever platform you signed up with. If you did email, there will be no platforms here, but you'll want to add destination here for whichever platforms you're looking to multi-stream to. LinkedIn, Twitch, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube are available in addition to custom RTMP, which will open up pretty much any other streaming platform for this multi-streaming functionality. I've already got multiple platforms added on mine, so I'll demo how that works here in the main studio. Add your platforms, that's step one. Step two is you're going to click the Go Live button down here. It will say go live and record if you've enabled that feature. Went over that in a previous tutorial video, link below to that playlist. Click that button and it'll tell you all the destinations right here that you can potentially go live to. I'm going to select two of my destinations. You can choose whether the live stream is public on YouTube, private, unlisted. I'm going to do unlisted for this demo. You choose the status of your live stream and choose all of the destinations. Highlight all of the ones you want to go live on. You can do one or all. Got it? Cool. You're going to click next, and then it's going to ask you for a title. So I'm just going to type in whatever title here into mine. Go ahead and make yours a descriptive title, particularly for YouTube and for Facebook. You need to have a very descriptive title that is going to get clicks. Otherwise, you are going to be pushed down in the algorithms. So just keep that in mind. Got it? And then once you've added those titles and you've added that information, you're going to click Go Live. Once you do that, it'll give you this little scrolly wheel here, and then it'll implement the settings that you've set up before. On mine, it'll give you the countdown here. On mine, I've set it up to play an intro before I go live with my content. So there's my intro, and then boom, now I'm live. So you can implement whatever content you want on the screen, and then you're doing your live stream. And you go about your business per normal. Now, really quick, I want you to know how to locate those live streams using the share stream option. If you're wondering how to share it on social media or whatever, click the share stream button right over here. Then it'll pull up both of the options of the destinations, or all of the options of the destinations you're live on right here. You can either copy the link to send to someone, or you can open it in a new tab. So check this out. So I'm opening it in this new tab. Now keep in mind, if you do that, it may play back the audio on that tab and blow up your headphones. So what I recommend doing is testing all of this ahead of time. And in Google Chrome in particular, check it out. If you right click on the tab, you can click mute site or unmute site on YouTube and whatever these other streaming platforms are, if you're worried about those playing through your headphones or ruining your audio situation. Then you can pull them up, make sure they're live, or do whatever you want to do with that particular platform. And then there you go. Now you have all of your sharing options and you are live on multiple platforms at the same time. It was literally that easy. Seriously, that's it. And then when you're done streaming, you click end stream down here at the bottom. If you have an outro implemented, which I showed in a previous tutorial video, you can click play outro and end stream, or you can click end now without outro here. Just notice that option was there. I just noticed that just now. Cool. I'm glad they have that option. And I will ask you what your experience was like. And boomski, it's all sealed up. Just went live on multiple platforms, couple clicks of a button, just like that. It's that simple using Melon. So use my affiliate link below to sign up. It's free to try out. You can use most of the features for free, and there's also a pro version that can bump you up to 1080p and get your quality up and add extra things like cloud recording. Adios, amigos.